Hmm. Hello. Hello, friends. Saturday thinking clearly. I can see clearly now. I can think clearly now. The rain is gone. The cold is still here. Wow, it looks blurry behind me. Must be a setting. Okay, go hold on to my Zoom. I should get back. Well, it looks good that way. Oh, how do you set it? Hmm, virtual background. None. There, go back. None. No, none. There we go. Let's see, go back. Hmm. Okay, so now you can see the trees. Very good.
Good morning, everyone.
Pre-order, in order, post order.
Good evening, India.
How
Hey,
are you, everyone?
very
I
well.
invited I invited Remy.
Wow. I hope he shows up.
Good morning, everyone. I want to share a brief update about my GATE exam experience today. I am currently a third year BTech student and I prepared for the GATE exam in the second shift today. I
Mm,
appeared in this exam in the second shift. There was two shift, so I appeared in second shift. The timing of the second shift is from 2:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m.
wow. Go ahead.
This was an important step for me because GATE is not just an exam, it is a pathway toward higher study, research opportunities, and better technical careers. Today session is basically the analysis of my exam and I will solve the question which I have attempt in exam with full accuracy.
Wow. You took the Bill Gates exam? Bill Gates or just Gate exam?
Just get
Maybe Bill
oh,
Gates will hire you
oh
for only
in
one
few of
hundred
the
thousand.
questions I apply hit and trial method and it was gone correct. My preparation focused mainly on core subjects, problem solving, ability, and time management during the exam. I tried to stay calm and apply the concepts logically rather than rushing through questions. The paper felt balanced, some sections were challenging, especially numerical and conceptual section, but overall it was a good learning experience. Regardless of the result, this attempt has helped me understand my strengths and the areas where I need improvement. I plan to
Wow.
analyze two-day paper, work more on weak topics, and continue building my technical skills along with projects and internships. Welcome, Remy.
Thank you, Abhishek.
I'm
Welcome,
discussing what
Rami.
I will do in this session. As you know, today is my GATE exam. So in this session, I will share a brief update about my GATE exam experience. I appeared for the GATE exam in the second shift today. This was an important step for me because GATE is not just an exam; it is a pathway toward higher studies and research opportunities and better technical careers. My preparation focused mainly on core subjects, problem solving, ability, and time management. During the exam, I tried to stay calm and apply the concepts logically rather than rushing through questions. The paper felt balanced. Some sections were challenging, especially numerical and conceptual questions, but overall, it was a good learning experience. Regardless of the result, this attempt has helped me understand my strength and the areas where I need improvement. I plan to analyze today's paper, work more on weak topics, and continue building my technical skills along with project and internships. I believe this journey will help me grow and as engineer and prepare more for future opportunities, whether in MTech research or the industry. Thank you, Haro and Remy, for giving me the chance to share my experience. Uh, I need 4 to 4 minutes, 3 to 4 minutes to summarize, to prepare and plan how to uh, go through the questions.
Okay.
The question is water, then P, and then food, then Q. So, what is the correct option for P and Q? So, we have to select the option which should be suitable for both the mm, uh, words uh, water, uh, P, and food Q. So the options are wet, critic, thirst, hunger, thirst, satisfied, drink, hunger. So you can see the correct option. If someone is thirsty, then they need water, and if someone is hungry, so then they need food. So I choose the correct option, thirsty and hunger. Now move to next question. There are three. They give three words. First one is expedite. Second one is hasten, and third one is hurry. So they give four options. The options is are disable, accelerate, retarded, and provide. So in the in these options, I select the option second, accelerate, which is similar to hurry, expedite, and hasten, uh, which means movement, something like movement. So I select accelerate. Now the third question: a die is thrown twice. What is the probability of that the sum of the outcomes of these is prime number? So I'm going to solve this question. I'm going to explain how I solve this question. So in dice there are six phase from 1 to 6. So there are two dice in the question. So the uh, total 1 to 6 and 1 to 6. Total two dice. So the we have to find probability of getting prime number. So the total outcome will be 6 into 6, total 36. Total outcome is 36. And the expected favorable outcome will we have to find. So the prime number is 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Oh, we can see in the two dice the maximum sum is 6 plus 6 is 12. So and the minimum is 1 plus 1 is 2. So the in this range the prime number should be from 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So now we have to find how many favorable outcomes for these. So for getting 2, the sum the possibility is 1 comma 1. From the first dice 1 and the from second dice 1. 1 1. And for getting 3, the possibility is 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. And for getting 5, the possibility is 2 comma 3, 3 comma 2, 4 comma 1, 1 comma 4. So for getting 7, the possibility is uh, 3 comma 4, 4 comma 3, 5 comma 2, 2 comma 5. Is there any other option possibility for
1
7?
comma 6. 1 comma
Wow,
6.
1 comma 6, 6 comma 1. And for 11, the possibility is 6 comma 5, 5 comma 6. So the total outcomes will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So the total outcome, favorable outcome is 15. So the probability is 15 divided by 36. So I select the option B, which is 15 divided by 36. Now let's see the answer. Wow, 15 divided by 36 is the correct
Wow.
answer.
You got the answer correct.
Now let's
Very
move
good.
to the next aptitude question. Oh, this is my favorite question.
Wow.
And the question is something like that. A salesman wants to visit each city once and came to starting city and no repeat any city. There is no repetition of any city. And they give two diagram. The first diagram is something like that. The dot represents city and the line represent the intercity highway connecting two cities. So the first diagram is something like that.
Oh no, I
Uh,
cannot see. Move to the left. There. Good.
Now you can see the dot
Yes.
represent
Good.
city, and the line represent the intercity highway connecting the cities.
Wow. Hmm. Hmm.
This is most generally referred to as the traveling salesman problem.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow.
So there are four rows and four columns.
Oh no. Are we drawing Vinci?
No. So the first diagram is something like that, and the second diagram is something like that. And the four and the is this like that. Oh, the second diagram is something like that. So
Hmm.
the question asked in these both two diagram, which is the correct options? Uh, the salesman can start from any city and visit all the city exactly once and came back to the starting city. So
Oh, wow.
in this diagram, I think uh, something like that. If the salesman start from this city, he will go to this city, then this, then here, then here, then here, then in this city, then this, then this, here, then here. Reach to
Wow.
the starting city.
That looks good.
so so there are options. Some options is like option A only first. Only first figure is possible. Option B only two.
Oh, how many are possible?
Option C both first and second.
Hmm?
Option D none of these. So I select option A only first, because in the second diagram I think like that. If the salesman start from here, then he go here, then here, then here. uh, Here I
Oh
think
no.
I drawed incorrect. Oh, diagram is not like that. Diagram is something like that. uh, a a rectangle and the point outside touching like that. So in the second diagram you can see the salesman start from here, then he has two options, three options. Maybe he will go here, then here, then here, then here. So he left this city. May and the second option, if he go here, then here, then here, then here. He left this city. If he go here, he left this city. So in any of the possibility, he can't cover all the city exactly once. So this diagram is not possible for this case. That's why I
Wow.
select option first.
Mm,
Now let's move to next question. Let's
mm,
let's see the solution answer
Oh,
for this question.
oh boy. Mm. 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 Wow, what language? What language is he speaking? English or Hindi?
Hindi. That's why I mute. Now the next question. Oh, that's very easy question.
Oh boy, I like easy questions.
Oh, in this question, they give four diagrams, something like that. And in this diagram, we have to find the correct diagram. I- in this diagram, there is column and row. Each row consists of a number like 3, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So this number represent how many of blocks will be shaded. So in this row, three blocks should be shaded. 1, 2, 3. And in this row, only one block should be shaded. And in this row, only two blocks should be shaded. And in this row, only two blocks should be shaded. And in this column, only two block. This column two, this column two.
Oh no,
So
that's difficult.
they give four options. We have to find the correct option. So I select this option. Now the next question
Uh,
is
I'll ask
when it is
Gemini to solve it.
when it is rainy, peacock dance. So they ask for the necessary which is the true for this statement. Which option is true for this statement? The statement is when it is rainy, peacock dance. And the options when peacock dance, it is rainy. Option B, peacock dance, only it is rainy. When peacock dance, when peacock are not dancing, it is not raining. And the fourth option is when it is not raining, peacock not dancing.
Hmm.
This question is incorrect. Uh, oh, maybe options are not looking correct. I select option B. uh, Peacock dance only when it is raining. But the correct option is when peacock are not dancing, it is not raining. So this
Wow.
question is I
Tricky.
incorrected. Very difficult.
Oh, it looks easy, but a little difficult. Maybe you
Yeah.
have to use special logic and diagram and consult
Oh,
Gemini
my
AI.
favorite my favorite math question, which I solved in only 10 seconds.
No way.
Oh, the question I am going to explain the question, then I will ask you the solution, then I will tell you the solution if you uh, did it incorrect.
I will try
And the
to answer
question,
it. Yeah, I will answer it in 9 seconds.
okay. And the question is, suppose there is two stock A and stock B, two items. May suppose the price of the stock today's price of stock A is 50 and stock B is 80. And suppose any person Radha purchase uh, invest 100 rupees in stock A in stock A today and 80 rupees in stock B. In stock B. So the scenario is next day, the price of stock A is 55 and the price of stock B is 70. So what is the total profit of Radha next day? If he sell is its next day, sell the both stock next day.
Mm, mhm, mm,
I'm going to count 1, 2, 3,
mm. $10.
4, 5,
10 rupees.
6, 7, 8. Incorrect. 9, 10. So the correct answer is 0.
Oh no. Why? I was close.
No, 10. The difference between 10 and 0 is 10. Too much.
It's better than 100.
Oh, you want to know how answer is 0?
Using Shuklian mathematics, Shuklian logic.
Okay, I'm going to explain how it is 0. So let's look. The stock price of A is 50 and the stock price of B is 80. So Radha invests 100 rupees in stock A. It means Radha purchased 2 share of stock A. 2 share. And she invests 80 rupees in stock B. It means she purchased 1 share of stock B. And the next day the price is 55, so increment the profit of 5 rupees in 1 share, and Radha purchased 2 share, so he earned profit of 10 rupees in stock A. And now let's see the scenario of stock B. He invests 80 rupees and purchase 1 share. Next day the price is decreased to 10 rupees, so he get a loss of 10 rupees. 10 into 1 minus 10. So profit of 10 and loss of 10. So total 0.
Mm. Oh, wow.
Now let's
I'm
see
going.
the solution.
Maybe I will make
Let's see
money
the
on the
solution.
stock.
Let's see
Yeah.
the solution.
Oh,
What do you think? I'm correct or incorrect?
no, I'm going to say correct.
Okay. Now let's see.
Yes, zero. I saw a zero. B, zero. Oh, I did D. I did 10 with my Hyronian mathematics. Yeah, I was close.
Oh, now the next question is from logical schema. Oh, DBMS, database management system. I did it correct. I'm
Oh
going to
no.
match. I'm going to match the options. I match external schema with views. I match external schema with views, and I match logical schema with relation, and a physical schema with file organization. Now let's see the answer. Oh, I did correct. Logical schema with relation.
Hmm?
Now let's see. Second, oh, physical schema with file organization. Correct.
Hmm.
And the external schema with view. Correct.
Wow,
Now
tricky.
let's see the next question. Oh, and they ask if there is two transactions T1 and T2. So they ask which option should be correct for non-conflict uh, instructions. So if so we know that We know that if there is two transactions T1 and T2, if T1 read, we know that at one time only at one time both, if T1 read, if T1 read, so T2 can read at same time. But if T1 write, transaction 1 is writing something, so T2 can't read because it will create a problem, because T1 is updating and T2 is want to try to read. Maybe he will saw the old data, so he will get a wrong information. That's why at one time any one transaction can write. If any one of the transaction is writing, so no one can read. So the option is for non-conflict is both read.
Wow.
I select T1 read, T1 read, T2 read. Option C. Non-conflict.
Mm, wow. Mm,
I skip this question. I didn't try attempt it. Now let's move to next question.
mm.
Move. I skip this question. Next.
Too many
Oh,
words.
this is the question which I attempt and used hit and trial method.
The what
They
method?
give hit and trial. Guess. I guess. In this question there is no any options. They just put the question and they give fill in the blanks. I have to write the output for this question. So I use hit and trial method. So let's see how I do this question. So the question is ax plus y is equal to b, and the second equation is 16x plus ay is equal to 24. So
Wow.
they
Yes.
ask they ask
Hmm.
the question, uh, what is the value of a into b. They give fill in the blanks. They give the uh, options. They did not give any option. They just say write, type.
Wow. And you tried not different numbers and see if they work?
No, and there is no solution. We have to just enter, press the key.
Mm. But you have to, oh, you have to enter the number of what A times B is.
Yeah.
And it should be equal, or it should work with the equations above. Hmm. Oh, that's very difficult.
They just give the two equations and they write that there is a many solutions, multiple solutions possible for these questions, and this they write if, they write they say use the value of a and b such that there exist multiple solutions for this question, for this equation. So I am going to explain how I use hit and trial method. So I just uh, uh, I what I do, I into b 16 4 into b. Oh, I just multiply by a into the first equation, because I'm going to use elimination method. So uh, we have to uh, we have to equalize the coefficient of y. I, in elimination method, we have to uh, equalize the coefficient of x either y. So I equalize the coefficient of y. So in this second equation, the coefficient of y is a. So I have to multiply by a in the first equation. So I multiplied by a. So the equation comes out a square x plus ay plus ab. No, is equal to ab. And the second equation is rest same. 16x plus ay is equal to 24. So we have to subtract this. So it will become uh, minus. So it subtract ay minus ay becomes 0. A square minus 16x is equal to ab minus 24. ab minus 24. So I got a equation a square minus 16x is equal to AB minus 24. So get this equation. So I use a hit and trial method. I put the value of x is equal to 0 in this equation. So it will become 0 in left side, and in right side AB minus 24. So when I transfer the constant to other side, so AB is equal to 24. That is how I use the hit and trial method, and I get the value of AB is equal to 24. Now let's see the solution for this question. What do you think? I am correct?
Yes.
Let's see. He solved by the other method.
Wow,
He
there's
solved by
another method.
he solved by another method, but the answer is correct.
24? Wow. Oh my goodness.
He
I-
calculate the value of A and B, but I use the hit and trial method, and I also got the solution.
Wow.
No options. We have to uh, enter the value.
Oh, can you show me his board again? I'll take a screenshot of his method. See if I can learn from it.
Okay.
Oh, he took a screenshot of it. And see, I will try to do the Hyronian method. I would go
Can you pin my
A.
video? Can you pin my video?
Let's see. Is it? Is it? Oh, oh, spotlight. I
Yeah,
spotlighted
it's
it.
got that.
I think I
Okay.
pinned it too.
Now let's move to next question. Oh, that's my favorite question. In this question, they give a equation and in integration. Calculus is my favorite topic in mathematics. And the equation is I is equal to integration in integration definite integration, and the limit of this integration is from -1 to 1. A lower limit is -1 and the upper limit is 1, and the equation inside it 3x square minus ax plus 1 dx. So the options is, now I'm going to solve this question, and we have to find the value of I. So for finding the value of I, we have to solve this. So first integrate it. So integration of x square is x cube by 3. So x cube divided by 3 into 3. So it will cancel. Minus a integration of x with respect to dx is x square by 2 plus integration of any constant is x, and the
Wow.
limit is from minus 1 to 1. So
Mm,
I'm going to put the upper limit in this equation. So I'm going to put 1 in place of x. So when I put 1 in place of x, then 1 cube is nothing but 1. So 1 minus x square means 1 square is 1. So a by 2 plus 1.
mm, mhm,
Then I'm going to put the minus sign and then apply the lower limit. So lower limit is minus 1. So cube of minus 1 cube is minus 1, and minus and minus 1 square of minus 1 is 1. So a minus a by 2, and then x minus 1. So it will minus 1.
mm,
So
mm,
1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 1 is 2 minus a by 2. Then I'm going to multiply the sign minus into the bracket. So it will become plus 1. It will become plus a by 2, and it will
mm.
become plus 1.
Oh
So
no.
this should be cancelled. Plus minus a by 2 plus a by 2. So the answer is 2 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. So value of I is 4.
Wow. Hmm.
So options is something like that. Value of I is independent from a. So I there is multiple correct. So I correct the first option because value of I is independent from a. Because when I find the value of I, there is no any involvement of a. That's why I is independent from a. That's why I select the options value of I is independent from a. And the uh, next option is value of I is dependent on a. So it is incorrect. And the third
Correct.
option is value of I is less than 0. Uh, less than 0. So it is incorrect because value of I is greater than 0. So the option B and C is incorrect. So the correct option is option A and option D. Option D, let's see what is the option D. Option D is I is greater than 0 for all a from minus infinity to infinity. So value of I is greater than 0 because I got 4 which is greater than 0. So that's why I select option A and option D. Now let's see the correct options.
Naya. Barking at dog. Dog barking at Naya.
Oh, first option is correct.
And second option? No. Last option correct too? Or is it
Oh,
wrong also?
4. Look, 4.
Or you got it right.
Yeah. First option is correct and fourth option is correct.
Yay. Hmm. Hmm.
Oh, my easiest question of determinant. Easiest question of determinant. It is also a NAT question. NAT means numerical ability test. In NAT questions, they did not provide any options. They just give just give the blank, and we have to enter the uh, answer.
No, no.
We have to type the answer. We have to type the answer in the computer screen.
No
So in
multiple
this
choice.
question, No any options. We have to just write the answer in the blank option. Blank. Um, Blank column. Blank box. So in this questions, they provide the value of A, determinant A. Value of determinant A, which is 4 by 4 matrix, is equal to 3. So they ask for determinant 2A. So I
Mhm.
know the formula for this question is if
Mm,
value of determinant A
mm,
and their order is n into n is equal to k. So
mm.
so so
Wow.
value of 2a determinant is equal to k k into 2 to the power n. So I apply this
Right.
formula in this. Oh, it is formula for this question, for this type of question.
Wow. So the answer, you plug in 3. No.
Oh, I can explain how this formula is made.
Wow.
You want to know?
Yes.
Okay. For example, if any matrix is something like that, of 3 into 3, so when like suppose 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. So so if you multiply by 2 in this matrix, so it will become 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2 2. So in determinant, if you multiply by any number, then if there is n row, so you have to multiply by n times. That's why it will become 2 to the power n into k.
And I see the shadow is covering that. So if you have matrix filled with ones, then you multiply by 2. Then each one
You have to
is
multiply 3. You have to multiply 3 times 2. That's why the power of 2 is 3. So if the order is 4, so you have to multiply by 4 times. 2 to the power 4. That's why here. That's now I apply this formula in this question. We have to find 2a. So the answer will be 2 to the power order is 4. 2 to the power 4 into 3. 2 to the power 4 is 16 into 3 is 48. 16 into 3 is 48. Now let's see the answer. What do you think? Am I right?
I'm gonna say yes. Hmm. You did yes. 48. You're right. Very good.
Oh, I
Hmm.
skipped this question. I did hit and trial, but I am incorrect in this question. I select this option, but the correct option is this.
Wow.
I select Poisson random variable, but the correct option is normal random variable.
Poison? Random variable? What's the P stand for?
Poisson?
Poison? Is that the name of a
Yeah,
mathematician?
yeah.
Not
Let's
the
move to next question.
poison. Mm, mm, mm. Wow, he writes fast. Mm, let's see.
I skip this question.
Gate, voila.
I skip this question. That's a very tricky question. I select the option A, but the correct option is C. Oh, this now I did this question and I did correct. This is also a numerical ability type question. They did not provide any options. We have to type the answer.
Oh no. 8.
Now I'm going to solve this question. In this question, they provide 8 holes.
What's this?
8 holes in the memory. 8 holes means 8 blocks. 8 empty blocks in the memory. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the size of the memory of the blocks is first 20, second 4, 25, then 18, then 7, then 9, then 15, then 12 kilobyte. And there are two process P1 and P2.
Mm, okay.
And the size of process 1 is
What?
16 kilobyte,
Okay.
and the size of P2 process 2 is 9 kilobyte. So in this question, we have to apply the best fit algorithm to to use the block, use the memory from this host for this process. Then we have
Okay.
to find
Mhm.
how many holes is less than 8. So in best, we know that in best fit algorithm, we we select the holes from these holes which is closer from this size. So in these 8 holes, which one is closer from 16? Can you guess?
Well, no. 15?
Mm. Is it possible that's the size 16 is fixed in 15? The process fixed in 15?
18?
What?
18?
Yeah, correct. The process P1 will get in 18. So P1 occupy here. So when P1 occupy, he left 2 kilobyte. 16, 18 minus 16, which is 2. So he leave a space of 2 kilobyte. Now the second process is P2. So guess the closest hole.
9?
Wow, correct. P2. So now count how many holes is less than 8.
Just 3?
Wow, correct. I enter 3. Now let's see the uh, option. Now let's see the answer. What do you think? I'm correct or incorrect?
Correct?
Okay, let's see the answer.
Me.
Oh, I did incorrect in this question. I select priority, but the answer is FCFS. I choose priority.
FCFS? What does that mean?
First come, first serve.
Oh, what does SRTF mean?
Shortest remaining time first.
Wow. Mhm.
These are the process scheduling algorithms. The first one is RR, round robin. The second one is SRTF, shortest remaining time first. And the third one is priority scheduling. And the fourth one is first come, first serve.
Wow.
The question asked which one is not primitive. Primitive means when you start any process, you have to complete the process. Then you can start the next process. But in
Hmm?
non-primitive, you can switch the process in any time, no matter you complete it or not.
Hmm. Primitive. Hmm.
I skip this question. I skip this question.
Oh, it's too hard.
Yeah.
Maybe you
Now
can
let's.
try it. Jesus, babe.
In this
Hmm.
question, this question is multiple choice question.
Wow. Made
Mm.
easy by senior faculty. You
This
choose the
question is multiple
following.
choice question. I select option first and second, but the correct answer is option first, option C, and option D. I
Very
select
nice.
option B and C.
What is S to ASB element?
And it is grammar. Yeah. Oh, I can teach you automata, which I
Wow.
learned, which I studied last semester. And this is
Hmm?
grammar. S tends to ASB. S goes to ASB. So the string for this grammar should be and epsilon. So as the language for this grammar is when you put when you can go to epsilon directly. So the language should be epsilon. Then if you put epsilon in place of s, then ab. You can put ASB in place of S. Uh, you can see S goes to ASB. So you can write ASB. S goes to epsilon directly. So the first language is epsilon. S goes to ASB. S goes to in place of S you can use epsilon. So A epsilon means nothing. Then B AB. Uh, in place of S, you can put A as B. So A, in place of S, you can use this string A, S, B, and the B. In place of S, you can use epsilon. So string A, B. So the grammar is A, B. Then guess the next string.
Mm, mm,
3
don't
times
know.
A, 3 times B. 4 times A, 4 times B.
Oh, it's getting bigger.
Dash.
Why?
Now let's move to next question.
And we can
Automata is
use it
very
to make an operating system or for languages
for for compiler designing.
for compiler designing. Hmm. Oh my. Oh my. Kate, 2026. Count 19.
Oh,
Given
my favorite
keys.
question. Favorite question.
Oh, why? Is it
Uh,
easy or difficult?
Very easy. This question is from data structure. My favorite subject, programming and data structure. So this question is my favorite. This is also a fill in the blanks type question. NAT numerical ability test. No options. We have to type the answer.
Oh no. The
Uh,
longest
in
chain
in ma-
length. What is the longest chain length?
I'm going to explain this question. They give the keys. The keys are 28, 19, 10, 12, 5, 15, 33, 26, 17.
Is that keys in a
And
pass?
the
What is it?
and the
Like a
as function is HK K modulo 9. You know what does this function do? K modulo. Uh, Modulo
oh,
operator will provide remainder. So what do you think? What is
not
the maximum remainder for this equation?
one? No.
No, maximum is 8. Less than this, one less than. So I'm going to create a create a box which is called has table. This is has function and this is has table. And I'm going to indexing from 0 to 8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here you can see K modulo 9. So first key is 28. So 28 modulo 9. What should be remainder? 9 3
Mm,
the 27
the
plus 1. 9
one.
3 the 27 plus 1. 1. So 28 will go to first index. Then 19. 19 modulo 9.
Mm, mm, wow. Maybe it's one.
Wow, correct. 1. So before 1 is already occupied, so it is collision. So we
Mm,
count it as first collision. So here the length is uh, chain length is 1 for 19. So we increment it by 1. So 19 will go to second index here. Now let's move to 10. We will write the chain length in the top of the box. So the chain length is 1 for 19 because one time collision. Now what is 10 modulo 9? 10 modulo 9?
Maybe it's 1.
1. So 1 is already occupied. So one time collision. So it moved to 2. Again collision. Two time collision. So chain length is 2. So it moved to 3. So 3 is empty. So number 10 is here.
Mhm.
Now 12. 12 modulo 9 is 3. Collision.
3.
One time collision. One time collision. So it moved to 4. So 4 is empty. So 12 is here. Then 5 modulo 9 is 4. 5 modulo 9 is 4. So 4 is already occupied. So one time collision. It moved to 5. So 5 is on 5. Then 15. 15 modulo 9 is
Hmm. 6.
6. 6 is empty. So 15 is here. Then 33. What is 33 modulo 9?
Hmm. Hmm. Maybe 6.
Correct. 6. 6 is already occupied by 15. So plus 1. So one time collision.
Hmm.
So 33 is here at 7. Now 17. 17 modulo 9.
Hmm. Maybe it's
8.
8. Yeah.
8 is empty. So 17 is here. So the longest chain length is 2. Maximum
Right.
collision is 2 because the
Right.
maximum collision is 2 when we insert 10. Oh, I did 3. I remembered in exam I entered 3.
Well, the answer is 3, not 2.
Yeah, I already done 3 in my exam. I forget about this one, but in my exam I consider this one. So the total longest chain is because in the remainder one is is in three keys. The key first 28, the key second 19, and the key 10. So there is 3 1. That's why the longest chain is 3. And I did 3 in my exam. So the correct answer is 3.
Hmm.
Next question. Move to
Computer
next
Science and
question.
IT. Gate 2026.
Where are you?
Not.
Oh,
Numerical.
My favorite question,
sir.
output programming question.
PDS,
I'm going to solve it.
programming data solution. Oh, that
I'm
looks
going to
like
solve
C.
it.
That
Yeah,
looks like
I'm going
C.
to solve it.
Oh no.
I remembered my answer is 9 in my exam. I'm going to solve it and prove how I I
Integer
find I get 9. I'm writing. I'm note down the question.
A is 5, B is 11, C is 20. Peter, hey, a pointer? PTR is
Yeah,
pointer
yeah.
at A, and then asterisk pointer is C. What does that mean? Indirect
Where?
address? Hmm. P asterisk asterisk PTR equals C. Mhm. The second PTR
Print C.
P P P print F. Mm,
Now let's solve this question. Here four variables in integer type. The first variable is pointer p. Second variable is a, b, c. So the first declare a is equal to 5, b is equal to 11, and c is equal to 20. So a is equal to 5, b is equal to 11, c is equal to 20. Now pointer he store in pointer address of a. Address of a. Now uh, let's suppose something is address of a. Now he is changing the value at the address of a. uh, Star ptr. Star ptr means the value of the address which pointer store. So the value the address stored by pointer is the address of variable a. So star ptr means the value of a should be changed to c. So it means indirectly we are going to change the value of a to c. So value of c is 20. So now the new value of a is 20. A is equal to 20. Now next line is pointer is equal to ampersand c. It means now pointer ptr store the very address of c. Now a is equal to pointer address of p. It means value of a is the value of b. Value of a is the value of b. What is the value of b?
hmm.
11. So the value of
Mhm.
a is 11. Now value of c is equal to uh, is asterisk ptr. Asterisk ptr means the value which store the address. So ptr store the address of c. So the value of c is 20. So
Mm.
here we write 20 minus value of a is 11. So 20 minus 11, c is equal to 9. So when we print the value of c, the output is 9.
Mm.
This is also a numerical ability test question. They give the blank option. I have to type the option I answer. So I type 9. Now let's see what is the answer. What do you think? Am I
The answer.
correct?
Mm, I think so. 9.
Yeah. Now I'm very. Mm, mm, I think now we have to end this meeting.
Now you have to uh, write write Vinci in C language.
Wow, I can do. Oh, I can use multiple libraries in C or Vinci, but I can't focus on Vinci because it is unpaid project. I do
Maybe you
only
can
paid projects.
focus. Maybe you can focus on Dawn White Light Wellness Center. Yay!
Yeah.
So that Rami can get Reiki therapy when he visits
Oh,
Dawn.
Remy is in dream. Remy is watching dream.
I'm hungry.
Okay, now you can end this meeting and you can call me.
Hungry. I don't know what to eat.
Okay.
Oh, what I cooked yesterday.
You cook
Rice
dal chawal.
and dal. Rice and yellow lentil. Mm.
Khichdi. Khichri. It is called
Uh,
khichdi in Hindi.
History.
Khichri.
C CHI
Khichri.
AHISHI. No.
Khichri.
CHRI. No. CHRI. Chili. No. Thank you very much, Rami, for, for coming to learn about the
Hmm?
exam.
Wow.
I will be prepared for my exam. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Yeah.
Hmm?
Mm. And I have,
Too many medicines? Hello. Hello.
And meeting